So this is what it looks like right now. I'll put a little more lube around here. Then put that final washer on, and then we can go ahead and put the plates in. I think this is probably the easiest thing I've done on the bike so far. Now, if only it was this easy in a car. Now, that probably went out like that based off of the wear marks on the one side. Excuse me. All right. So now what I want to do is we're going to put this thingamajig on the back, and then we can put our discs, and then we will put our other dooflicky, and these will poke through just like so, but with the plates in between. And then the springs will go on here, and yeah, here it is. Then this piece with the bearing on the middle sits like so. Actually, no, I'm wrong. It sits like so. And when I put the screws in, it'll compress, compress, compress. And then it's locked and loaded. All I gotta do is that chain for the oil pump, and inspect the oil pressure relief valve, and then clean up the gasket surfaces, put new gasket, and close it up. Start filling it with oil. Because I think I'm done with the bottom end after this. Okay. So, once again, lube everything. Doesn't matter if it doesn't really need lube, just lube it anyways. You're putting it together. It sits in the oil reservoir, so it will get lube eventually, but you don't want things running without lube if it's not necessary. So just do the mating surface there. And I don't think there's a particular spot that this goes. I guess it's just like that. That's what it looks like in the diagram anyways. We're going to find out when we actually start it and try to put it into gear, and then it doesn't go into gear. I'll also look back on the video that I made earlier to make sure that, yes, I did put it back together in the right order. Okay. Make sure we're all good here. So we got the collar that doesn't have the holes in it. Then we had the thicker washer. Then we put the collar with the holes in it and the oil channel on the inside. Then we put the big gear that holds all the plates together in there. Then the thinner washer. Then the little 4-pronged doomajig. Now, when we pulled it out, the thinner one was the last one. So the thinner one is going to be the first one, I believe, this time around. What I might do is just triple check and make sure, just based off of the video that I did watch. which I'm not going to show on here because I feel like somebody will have a heyday. So I'm just going to do this. Honda CM450E clutch. And turn the volume down because it's all instrumental anyways. Nope, I was wrong. So go to putting everything together now, please. Okay, I did that right. Did that right. Did that right. Oh wait, did I do that right? I think it's pretty much in the middle. Okay. Put the big gear on now.